这么可爱的娃娃玩具上哪买的呀？拿出来的娃娃怎么还有黑眼圈？套装里有眼双眼，快给它安排上，按摩一下。黑眼圈淡化了也。
It's easy to see how everything is loosely put into a box to describe how it is working, but can you tell me how did she knock me off of my feet when she said hello? My name is beautiful. I said excuse me miss, but it's time for me to hit the floor. And now this dancing has turned to falling. Words can't do justice to this girl I know. Those deep breaths that get me through the time she's standing next to me. She's nothing short of lovely. Does she notice that I can't breathe? Everything